Hi kids! Today we're learning about amazing construction vehicles. Let's explore how they help build our world. Excavator.
Yay! Excavator digs deep holes and lifts soil or rocks with a big bucket.
Dump truck.
Yay! Dump truck carries sand, gravel, or soil and dumps it at another place.
Bulldozer.
Yay! Bulldozer pushes soil, rocks, and debris to clear and level the land.
Cement mixer truck.
Yay! Cement mixer truck mixes cement while driving so it's ready to pour.
Road roller.
Yay! Road roller flattens and presses surfaces to make smooth and strong roads.
Crane.
Yay! Crane lifts heavy materials like steel and concrete to tall heights.
Backhoe loader.
Yay! Backhoe loader has a bucket in front and a digging arm at the back.
Tower crane.
Yay! Tower crane stands tall and moves heavy materials across construction sites.
Skid steer loader.
Yay! Skid steer loader is small and works in tight spaces to lift soil or tools.
Concrete pump truck.
Yay! Concrete pump truck pumps wet concrete to high places through a long pipe.
Grader.
Yay! Grader levels and smooths the ground to prepare roads for paving.
Pile driver.
Yay! Pile driver drives strong rods deep into the ground to support buildings.
Trench digger.
Yay! Trench digger makes long, narrow holes in the ground for pipes or wires.
Forklift.
Yay! Forklift lifts and moves heavy boxes or tools with two strong front forks.
Tunnel boring machine.
Yay! Tunnel boring machine digs deep underground to make tunnels for trains and roads.
Telehandler.
Yay! Telehandler has a long arm to lift heavy materials to high places.
Mini excavator.
Yay! Mini excavator digs in smaller areas where big excavators cannot fit.
Concrete screed machine.
Yay! Concrete screed machine smooths and levels wet concrete after pouring.
Articulated dump truck.
Yay! Articulated dump truck bends in the middle to carry loads on rough land.
Concrete batching plant.
Yay! Concrete batching plant mixes cement, sand, gravel, and water to make fresh concrete.
You just learned amazing construction vehicles that help build roads, houses, and even skyscrapers. Keep watching our kids' learning videos for more fun preschool educational adventures.